ceremony. Today, we gather to celebrate a significant milestone in the lives of our young learners. This ceremony marks not just the end of their daycare journey, but also the beginning of the new adventures as they prepare to take their next steps in education. So to our dedicated teachers, thank you for your unwavering support and guidance. Your hard work has helped shape these children into the bright individuals they are today. To the parents and families, your encouragement and love have been instrumental in their growth. We appreciate your partnership in this journey. So as we look around, we see the smiles and excitement on the faces of our children. So they have shown resilience and determination throughout the year, overcoming challenges and celebrating achievements, big and small. This is a testament to their hard work and their nurturing environment we have created together. Today, we will honor each child as they receive their certificates, a symbol of their accomplishments and readiness to embrace the next chapter in their educational journey. Let us take a moment to reflect on how far they have come and bright futures that lie ahead. Thank you all for being here to celebrate this special occasion. Let's make this a memorable day for our children. Thank you and God bless us all.